Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum moved a bit lower yesterday, but stayed below resistance, essentially following just this ongoing sideways range. We still haven't got an upside breakout or any convincing long trade setup here. In my view, this is simply a sideways range. Now, the only thing that I want to say is, please note that all the rallies so far have been corrective. I mean, while this here is potentially a 5-wave move, it is part of a larger 3-wave move. So A, B, C in wave A, then the B wave pullback and the C wave up. A, B, C. And overall, as you can see, this here is considered a WXY structure. And it is possible in the yellow count that we're selling off. Now, I highlighted to you, of course, probabilities are fairly balanced. We're in a sideways range since August. The market hasn't committed really to much, given the ongoing uncertainty around the US elections. But it is, I think, important to understand that as long as we stay below resistance between 2005.61 and 2006.96, there isn't really any breakout signal to the upside. Okay, what we would need now to consider that we've formed a low somewhere, I need to see a first rally and a higher low, basically a 1-2 setup to the upside. Until I see that, I'm actually keeping the door open for lower prices. That could be in the white count, just a reset of the B wave a little lower before we go up in wave C in 3. But the invalidation point for this scenario is the red line at 2001.57, so no change to previous updates. That's the invalidation point, and at the moment we're just moving between the invalidation point and resistance. As long as we stay below resistance, and I have left it unchanged, I'm watching for lower prices short term. And then, but it's all a bit of a mess, okay? So don't think these micro counts are in any way reliable. They are not. It's a sideways range. We have a breakout point to the upside, or at least a level where probabilities shift towards the more bullish interpretation. And we have an invalidation point to the downside, and the green trend line should be watched as well. I mean, it is plausible that we're now seeing a little bit of to expect a bit of a bounce now. Again, you know, that B wave stayed, that internal B wave stayed very shallow. So I wanted to see a more substantial B wave, but obviously there was a bit of an escalation of conflict in the Middle East. So there was a catalyst that drove the price down lower directly. The idea is that we probably started the C wave down, and as long as we stay below the Friday high at 2005.67, this here would be the count to follow. Any break above that level means the B wave is likely still unfolding, and wave A bottomed here, yeah? So because A waves can be 3-wave movements or 5-wave movements, but clearly not yet a substantial reversal signal. The resistance area therefore is unchanged. I'm not moving it down for now. So yeah, not much more to add. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.